Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination, different types of 7 toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. So friends, I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles one by one and introduce to it you. So at first is a sports car. Let's go. Oh friends, at last I reached my parking place, so I parked here this sports car. This is very nice and realistic model sports car. Here is a red, yellow and blue color combination this sports car. Oh, next one is a police car. Wow, friends, I parked here this police car beside this sports car. See this police car, this is fully realistic model. This car here is a black, white and silver color combination, and upper side is a red and blue color combination, a light. And now I will drive this military tanker. Let's go. I also parked here this cartoony military tanker beside this police car. See this military tanker, this is very nice and also cartoony model. This military tanker, this is a green and black color combination. This one is a cartoony model drum truck. Let's go. Oh friends, I parked here this cartoony model drum truck beside this military tanker. See this cartoony model drum truck, this is pink, paste and purple color combination. So friends, you can see here already 4 vehicles one by one hand driven and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially arranged here. And now I will drive this police bike with a police. I parked here this police bike beside this cartoony model drum truck. See this police bike, this is red, blue and white color combination. This nice cartoony model police bike with a police. And next one is here a runner car. Let's go. I parked here this runner car beside this police bike. See this runner car, this is a red, black and white color combination. This nice runner car. This is the last one is here a animal truck, so I also try this one. Let's go. I will park here this animal truck beside this runner car. See this animal truck, this is very nice and realistic model. This toy here is a paste black and orange color combination, this animal truck. So friends, one by one all of these toys hand drive and introduced with you. All are serially arranged here. You can see all are nice and beautiful. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.